Ah, the smell of Manhattan. Smells like rotten fish. Let's relax. In the wretched filth amongst peons. This isn't fit for a king. Whoa, it looks like Jason. I don't think he looks happy. Let's get the hell out of here. Out of the way, peasants. Macho King coming through. Whoa, what's up, man? I thought we squashed it, huh? I accidentally pissed on your mom's grave. Come on, man. Mercy. Oh, yeah! That's what you get, punk. Tried to be nice, flying elbow drop, courtesy of the Macho Man Randy Savage. Macho King to you, commoner. You better stay down, punk, if you know what's good for you. And to think I was gonna invite you over for a barbecue. I'm alright, Liz. I'm impervious to pain. Subscribe to Savage and I.